Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to join expired links on the Discord. So first of all, if you're using it on the laptop or PC, it doesn't really matter. Open the Discord application, and once you open the application you will see a plus button on the left side if you're on the mobile, and on the left side if you're on the laptop or PC as well. Just click on this plus button and you will see an option like this one, join a server. Just click on join a server, and you just need to paste the link directly here inside this section, join a server, and just click on join server and you will be able to join the server. But let's say that you're still facing the same issue, that the link is invalid or it has expired. Just go back to the same option and just write down manually, and once you write down this statement completely, after that just write down the name of the server. As you can see, like there are some examples given as well by the Discord. So after that you just need to, once you write down this statement, make sure to write down the name of the server correctly. Let's say I want to join the TikTok server. You just need to write down TikTok, or let's say I want to join a server for any game, let's say Call of Duty. You can just write down the name and also try some dashes. As you can see, like there is a dash between them, so you can just try the dash as well, depending on the server has chosen, what the server has chosen their name. So make sure to enter them correctly, and once you enter it manually, just click on join server, and after that you will be able to join the server correctly even if the link is expired. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.